Hi, I'm Miss Laura from the Franklin Park Public Library, and for our celebration of Hispanic Heritage Month, today we are going to be making paper flowers. Lollipop paper flowers, actually. So for making your Flores de Papel, or paper flower, you're going to need Scotch tape, scissors, and a ballpoint pen. So go ahead and check out what you've got here in your grab-and-go kit. So Flores de Papel, these are used for a lot of celebratory celebrations. They're very beautiful paper flowers used for fiestas, quinceañeras, even Day of the Dead. They use paper marigolds. Paper marigolds are used. So we're going to make a lollipop paper flower using this and these these cupcake wrappers. So the first thing you can do is go ahead and use your ballpoint pen to poke a hole in the middle of this, the foil one, and poke a hole also in the white one. You can also go ahead and poke a hole inside the red piece of paper. And that will go on to the handle part of the lollipop. Let me put this down a little bit. So this is going to be the first layer of the flower, the foil, and just go ahead and cut along some of the lines, and so it'll until you hit the circle, and so it'll be kind of like this, like a bunch of these. Kind of how flowers are on the inside. So do that all the way around. And be careful with holding it and cutting, so that the hand that's holding the foil is safe, and you um, so do that all the way around the foil. So once you have that, you can put the lollipop through the hole and kind of press it on there. So that forms kind of the inside of the flower. So the white one, you can actually fold this in half, and then fold it in half again, and then fold it in half again until you have kind of a small triangle. And then go ahead and cut around it in the shape of like a petal. So this will be the next layer of your flower. You can open that up. And put that through the handle. And now it's starting to look a lot more like a flower. And then the next layer will be the red piece of paper. So go ahead and take the square that you have and fold that in half. And then fold it in half again. And then fold that to make a triangle. You know, you could even fold this again. We're going to cut this the same way you did for the white one. You're going to cut this into a petal shape, and then open it up. So we are actually creating a red, white, and blue flower, which is the color of the flags of Cuba, Dominican Republic, I believe Ecuador, Chile. So this will be red, white, and blue. So it'll be kind of the colors of some of the flags. With the blue crepe paper, fold it in half again, and fold it in half again. And you will do the same exact thing, is go ahead and cut that into like a petal shape. And then you can, when you open that up, it'll look kind of like that. And this you wrap around the bottom, the base of the red. And you want it to kind of be wrapped around the handle of the lollipop. So this is, and this you'll be kind of wrapping and pressing it on. So it kind of forms the bottom part of a flower, which usually is green, but in our case for this one, it's going to be blue. And one thing about crepe paper, you can kind of shape it. You can kind of squeeze it around on with your fingers. Now take a piece of tape, and you can tape this on to the bottom and hold it on with tape. So wrap the tape around, and that will hold on the blue crepe paper. So this is your lollipop flower, and this is a really good thing to have at a party. And when you're done, you can eat it. So thank you for watching.